TikTok, what's that word, shorty? It's Marco Stats, and I'm back with another Vedic astrology lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about Jyestha Nakshatra. Jyestha is the 18th of the 27th lunar mansion / nakshatras in Vedic astrology, associated with the Scorpio zodiac sign and ruled by the deity Indra, the king of the gods. The individuals born under this nakshatra possess qualities of leadership, intellect, and ambition, but may also exhibit stubbornness, insecurity, and a desire for power. They often have strong problem-solving skills and are driven to achieve material success, yet they can become isolated or paranoid due to the heavy responsibilities they carry. You see, Jyestha Nakshatra is associated with the eldest, the chief, the senior most. The symbolism is an earring, an umbrella, or the circular talisman. The ruling planet is Mercury, aka Buddha. The animal symbol is the male deer, representing restlessness, being alert, but yet graceful. Its association with Indra shows both glory and vulnerability, the ability to protect and lead, but also insecurities, jealousy, and battles for power. You see, Indra is the king of all kings, but he's insecure. That's why people that have this placement are very powerful, but no matter how much power that they attain, they always are insecure about something. They got that mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all type stuff going on. And don't get me wrong, they're natural leaders. People look up to them. They're protective of their family and their community. They're intuitive, psychic. But like I said, they deal with a lot of jealousy, and the jealousy goes both ways. A lot of people are jealous of them, and they are jealous of a lot of other people. Jyestha Nakshatra being in the Scorpio zodiac sign, and Scorpio being a water sign, these people are very emotional, and people may actually try to sabotage them. One thing that you'll notice is that the males that have this placement might get accused of sexual assault or some type of sexual crime at least one time in their life. And they probably didn't do it. Or maybe they did do it because Indra, Zeus, the king of all kings, was a freaky motherfucker. He could have any single woman he wanted because he was the king of all kings. One last gem I'm gonna drop for people that got this placement. If you have a guru or a master or somebody that taught you your powers, always make sure that you acknowledge that person, because if you don't, the universe may take it away from you. That's what it is, man. A lot of people that have this placement also have cult followings. Do you got this placement in your chart? Is it in your big three? Do you even know what your chart is? Look up a Vedic astrology calculator and get in tune with this esoteric knowledge, nigga. If you know more about Jyestha Nakshatra, make sure that you comment on this video. Make sure that you like this video. Give your brother a follow. We do it all over here, man. We going to the moon, baby. We going to Mars, baby. All types of shit, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Until next time. Swish!